Welcome back. We got our door closing good. I'll go under the hood and do a few things here. I changed the oil in it. The car's been sitting around in storage, really not used a whole lot. Then I was looking back at my records and I realized I never changed the fuel filter in this car. It looks like it was done like when I first bought it, but that was back in 2015. So I would think it would be a good idea to do this. Everything on this car has been unmolested. That's got the original radiator hoses still on it, clamps, the radiator cap. I put new belts on it when I first got it, and the timing belt and the water pump, because it didn't look like it was ever done before, but everything else is as it was delivered. All the stickers are here. Nothing's been messed with. Nice, solid, unmolested car. So let's get a fuel filter in it now. And we got our new filter canister. Has little ridges in it. It'll only drop in one way. So you're going to put it in the same relation where the other one came out. It's marked for an inlet and an outlet. And there should be little brass gaskets in there. Yes, they are, in the bottom of the bag. Now this was great when this car was built. Easy to service. No crawling underneath the car trying to find a fuel filter that's buried someplace that's all rusty. Put it right where you need to get it. There you go. Those are 17 millimeter banjo bolts that go down here. This one's got, I think it's a bleeder screw that comes off. We don't even have to touch this. So we're going to break both of these free. The car has not been running for like a week, so there shouldn't be any fuel pressure. If there is, very, very slight. You know, if you had the car running recently, there should be some residual pressure inside. Be prepared to catch it with a rag or something. It shouldn't be a lot. But we're going to bust those bolts free right now. And there's a little 10 millimeter bolt on the side that holds the strap in. We'll do that afterwards. Tighter than I expected. Sometimes you have to reach for power tools. And that's a lot tighter than I expected. That one came out. A little bit of gas, not that much. These bolts are only supposed to be 22 Newton meters. This is a lot tighter than that. I'm breaking out the big gun now. There we go. Now we can get the 10 millimeter bolt right here. Just loosen that up. And the filter will lift out. Here's the old gaskets. The other one's stuck on the bolt. There, get the old gasket off. And we're gonna do a dump test on this to see if there's any junk in there. This is not the original filter, good. Covers off. Got our little gasket to go on both sides. One there, the other underneath. What we're gonna do is put it on here like that. Then go for the filter. And if this video helped you, do me a favor, like, subscribe, hit the thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Let's get these tight now. That is 16 foot-pounds. Not a whole lot. Okay, all done. We're going to cycle the key off and on a few times just to pressurize it before we start it. We're going to cycle the key off and on. And see if she'll start. And we'll check for leaks. Nothing good. Let's check to see if there's any junk in our fuel filter. Nice white paper towel in the drain pan. Dump this out. Yes, the gas is a little stale. The car's been sitting for a while. It had fuel stabilizer in it, but it doesn't smell that bad. I'll blow some air through backwards, see what flies out. I know my gas tank's not rusty on the inside now. That's good. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Look, twins. Who's the idiot that bought the Honda? That would be me.